Click on the Developer tab in the Excel ribbon. Click on Record Macro in the Code group. The Record Macro dialog box will appear. Enter a name for your macro. Avoid spaces and special characters. You can assign a shortcut key for the macro. Choose where to store the macro. This workbook, or Personal Macro Workbook. You can add a description for the macro. Click OK to start recording the macro. Now, Excel will start recording every action you take until you stop the recording. Change font size, apply cell borders and adjust column width and row height. Apply bold and shading to header. After completing the formatting, go back to the Developer tab. Click on Stop Recording in the Code group. The macro recording is now complete. To test your macro, go to a different sheet. Go to the Developer tab and click on Macros in the Code group. Choose the macro you recorded and click Run. The macro will apply the same formatting actions to the selected sheet. Choose Macro and click Edit to see the code.